This is an Italian lentil soup. Fantastic, delicious and easy. Let's make it together. Hi and welcome to Vincenzo's Plate, the place where you get to learn how to cook delicious Italian recipes. This one, it's easy, it's quick, and it's gonna fill you up. It's gonna bring happiness into your belly. Let's see what we need. Lentil soup makes me feel warm already, I love it. We need 500 grams of lentils. Today I chose red lentils, but you can use any lentils that you like. The lentils, the red lentils, take half an hour to cook. That's one of the reasons why I choose this one. You can choose any lentils that you want. Sometimes if you get fresh lentils, you might need to soak the lentils overnight, okay, before you cook them. So always ask where you buy it from. For the soffritto, we need 1 carrot chopped, half onion chopped, and 1 celery stick also chopped. We need 400 grams of diced tomatoes, which is about 1 small can. We need 1 liter of vegetable stock, nice and hot. I like to use fresh oregano and thyme, but you can use bay leaf or anything else that you like. A few slices of your favorite bread. I chose sourdough bread. Extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, and lots of love. All right. Let's start with the soffritto. So we need 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And we're going to add the soffritto. And we cook this on a medium heat, okay? Medium. Stir the soffritto gently. Yeah, baby. We are going to cook now the soffritto for about 5-7 minutes before we add the diced tomatoes. If you are worried that this is cooking too fast and the flame is too high, I would say add a little bit of water, just 1 or 2 tablespoons, and that will prevent from the onion to burn, okay? We do not want to burn these ingredients. Cover it and have a rest. Now in the meantime, we want to rinse the lentils. Now get some water in, wash it. Just a quick rinse, and now we're ready to cook the lentils. Okay guys, after about 7 minutes, look how beautiful and soft the soffritto is. Now we can add the diced tomatoes. Straight in there. Feel free to use more tomatoes if you want. Feel free to use passata if you want. Or feel free to use fresh tomatoes. We just want all the ingredients to make love together. We want them to get to know each other more, and now they are friends. Now that our ingredients are friends, we can add the lentils, the queen of the dish. Let's put the lentils inside. Don't forget, these lentils will grow, okay? They will grow, double the size. So what we do is we quickly mix it together with the tomatoes, the carrots, the onion, the celery. Look how much they love each other, look. Look how much they love each other. Hello new friends. I recommend to cook the lentils on a medium heat. But if you see that your cooktop is too strong, put it down, okay? If it's not that strong, maybe you put it up. But the medium heat, it will be the best, because you want to cook this slowly for 30 minutes, but not in a angry way, you know? It needs to be relaxed. We just want to add a sprinkle of salt and a very nice amount of pepper. Now we stir again. Now we want to add a little bit of the stock, not all of it, just a little bit, until we cover the lentils and make sure the lentils are swimming in the stock. Now at this point, we want to add the flavors. And the flavors here are thyme, which I like to break it like this. Beautiful thyme, I do love. You know, it's not true that you can only use thyme on lamb or chicken. You can use thyme any way you like. In fact, I'm using thyme with lentils. It's such a beautiful ingredient to use. It will give beautiful, beautiful, beautiful flavors. A little bit more, you add as much as you want, okay? I'm very generous with my flavors because I want to have a very nice meal tonight. Full of flavors. Now, the other ingredient I chose here is the oregano, which we can cut it with a knife, or like I'm doing now with scissors. So I don't leave the flavors on the chopping board. Do that, and the flavors go straight into the pot. Be generous with your flavors, and you add as much as you want, okay? Now we gently stir. Look how much the lentils are growing. Look how much they're growing already. So guys, from the moment I'm adding the stock to the lentils, you count half an hour for these red lentils. I always recommend you to read the instruction on the packet. Some lentils take 1 hour. Some lentils take 15 minutes, okay? So you really need to read the instruction on the packet so you know how long it takes. But as you can see, after 5 minutes, these lentils are already growing so much. So at this point, we're gonna put more stock. When do you know when to add stock? You add stock when you see that it's drying up, okay? It's almost drying up, so I'm gonna add more stock as we go. See, I wanna cover everything, keep covering. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna cook it for 25 more minutes and it will be ready. So, all we have to do now is to cover it, and every now and then we go and check and stir to make sure that the lentils is not getting stuck to the bottom. In the meantime, we can toast some nice bread. My choice for this recipe is sourdough bread. I love it. Now let's toast the sourdough bread. What do we do now with the toast bread? This is what I like to do. I like to cut the bread into squares. Here it is. And then we're gonna put these squares into the soup. Here it is. For me, bread and soup, they are the best couple. They love each other so much, and if you don't put them together, it's very sad. Hey guys, don't forget, every 5 to 10 minutes, go and stir, okay? We do not want the lentils to get stuck to the bottom. We have 10 minutes to go. Ladies and gentlemen, after 30 minutes, our beautiful lentil soup, it's ready to be enjoyed. Oh yeah. Time to swap the spoon and plate this wonderful warm soup. Guys, before we serve, we need to taste it, okay? We need to make sure the lentils are cooked. So let's see. Beautiful, moist, full of flavors. Let's go. Guys, my recommendation is try it. If it's not soft, if it's still too al dente, add more water, okay? And then you keep cooking it until it becomes soft or to your taste. So sometimes, you know, the stove is not strong enough. Sometimes we haven't cooked enough. Sometimes the packet could be wrong. Just keep cooking until you get that nice texture that you like. Now we get a nice amount of lentils and we put them in the plate. I have a nice large bowl, so I can put this in the middle of the table and everyone can serve themselves. Beautiful. Look how beautiful it looks. Here is a soup. Now what we want to do, and this is up to you, okay, it's just an option. I'm gonna put some parsley that I chopped, some chopped parsley. You don't have to use it. I just do it to create some colors, to add more colors. And here is the toasted bread, see? The toasted bread now can go right in the middle to decorate this lentil soup. You can put as much as you like. Bread is so important for this recipe. A little bit more parsley. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. The Italian lentil soup, it's here. Simplicity at its best. Best time of the video recipe. We get the bread, we get the lentils, we put it on top of the bread, and juicy, moist, beautiful soup. The bread should get wet in the soup, then you put the lentils on top. You get this beautiful experience, moist, crunchy, and the lentils get go there. Ooh, I love it. This is nice. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this episode. I will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's Plate. Thank you.